दाव वगैरह खूब चला होगा.
Mm.
And you would have enjoyed a lot.
Definitely.
Taking the delicious flesh of the goat and all. Attending many of the parties. That's what is the purpose. Many of the people flock together to the village. Okay. मेन मकसद वही होता है. जाएंगे तो बेहतरीन खाना मिलेगा. अच्छा, now you're recording that.
Enjoyed Delhi a lot, no?
Actually, as far as Delhi is concerned, it's not a city to enjoy. It's a city to enjoy for those who are indulged with the mundane activities like lascivious life, luxurious life. They are totally engrossed into. But if you are talking about those students who are focused to the target, they can't enjoy there because the city is very costly. So in that you'll have to consume a lot of money. You'll have to waste away your time. That's not good for a student who has gone there for a focused target. But as far as enjoying the life in Delhi is concerned, it is paramount for those who are very rich, from rich background. They can do that. But for man like us, we can't do that. Because always we keep in our mind the target of our parents, the aspirations of our village. So in this context, we can't enjoy a lot in Delhi. Since it is the capital of our nation, it's of course developing.
And on the event of Bhakti, you enjoyed a lot, no?
I didn't enjoy a lot actually. As far as enjoying is concerned, I went to a friend of mine, Mr. Faisal. Mr. Umar was there, and we had our lunch together, and we enjoyed a little. But that little enjoyment was something bigger than that. If you have tasted it.
You all of only had the something called as a biryani and what?
No, we didn't have any biryani.
Yeah.
What we had was the flesh of he goat that we call bakra, and just lunch was there. And at the time of dinner, we were at the room of Umar Bhai, and he served us chicken and all, and we enjoyed there. With Khairullah was also there with us, and after that we came back to my room and we enjoyed something visiting the Delhi colleges, and then it was all over. Overall, it was very good. Since we did not come to village, we didn't have any big aspiration that we'll enjoy a lot of flesh and all. What was there, that was absolutely good, fine, and very luxurious for us for that day especially.
And what is the, you say you have just set an aim called as a 2014.
Yes.
So would you like to disclose anything, or it will be disclosed after the year will come?
Yes, definitely. As far as the disclosing of my mission 2014 is concerned, it's indicative of certain big thing going to happen in that year. But that will take a long time, a long process, because just making a target, it doesn't add any flavor to the your additional knowledge. What it adds is that if you are making a target, if you are giving all that things which it takes to be a man, a targeted, if you are giving all that things, only then you can reach a target. Suppose I have made my ID and all, mission 2014. That doesn't mean, it means only valuable when I will give all these things which it takes for me to win the battle. So it will be disclosed inshallah later on.
And what do you, what the message from your side you do like to share with your villager? If they will listen this, then what do you want to share with them?
Actually, the sharing of all the informations with villages is concerned. At now we can just share that we are studying hard and pray for us. If we will get succeed inshallah in our target, only then we can do something at a bigger level. We can promote them, we can give them some ex gratia for playing better into the academic stadium. Then only we can suggest something to them. But right now we are at a very lower level. We are just a student. So being as a student, we'll have to fulfill our desires of parents and aspirations of the villagers, and we'll have to seek prayers from them all, from the friends as well as from the enemies.
Okay, so time is not got over.
So now we can, I think I had a talk with Mr. Altamash, and thank you very much for sharing your views with us.
And I'm just also going to give you a lot of thanks. Whatever the question I have put it, you perform it, or you speak well, very nicely on the topics. Okay.
Okay, thank you a lot very much for a little bit and very valuable appreciation.
A lot of thanks for you for being here with me and giving these things on the topic. So
thanks you a lot.